Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the progress bar in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some titles and a little bit of an overview of the app. Then we go into the profile menu, and here it opens up like this. From here we go into the top right corner, tap on the cog icon, then tap on player, and here we have the progress bar, and we can set it to either be chapter or full title. So what this means is that the progress bar will display how far you have listened into the chapter of a book, or how far you have listened to the entire book. So yeah, that's basically it, and that's how you do it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.